Hi everyone! This is a series about the OpenVINO DL Workbench, which is a web application that allows you to easily profile your model on various Intel hardware architectures. In this video, you will learn how to install the OpenVINO Deep Learning Workbench on your machine. If you want to learn more about the DL Workbench and installation ways, refer to the official documentation website, which is docs.openvinotoolkit.org. So we can go to the overview and then go to the guides section. And here you can find guides for the most important components of the OpenVINO toolkit, and the DL Workbench is one of them. We open it here and go to the section called Install DL Workbench. There are two options available. The first one is installing the tool from Docker Hub, which stores pre-built images, so you only need to build an image and run it from your machine. The second option is installing the DL Workbench from the OpenVINO package, which requires installing the package itself and then building a local image on your machine and running the tool from there. In this video, we will cover how to install the tool from Docker Hub, which is the simplest and quickest way to start the DL Workbench. Let's go to the instructions here. Firstly, you have to configure Docker if you are behind a corporate proxy, and then simply run the Docker container. In order to explore what Docker Hub is and what is placed there, we can go to the OpenVINO Workbench page on the Docker Hub website and read some information there. We can also discover tags, so here are the tags from the current and all previous releases. By default, we pull the most current version of the image available. Okay, let's go to the terminal and run this command. The pulling may take some time, but it happens one time only, and once the image is downloaded, you can run and stop it as much as you want without additional download processes. So the image has been downloaded. We can now inspect it by running the docker images command. So you can see a list of images available on your machine, and there is the OpenVINO Workbench image with the tag latest, and this image takes 5 GB. Okay, as we have the image on our machine, we can run it. Let's copy this command from the documentation website and inspect. So the first line is the port forwarding to the web application running the image. Then we specify the name, put special rules so that our neural compute stick and GPU work correctly. Then we specify proxy settings, which are required only if you are behind a corporate proxy, so in case you aren't, you can simply remove them. Finally, we specify the name of the image and its tag. If there is no such an image on your machine, the command will automatically pull it. And in case you have it locally, it'll just take the local one and start the container with it. So let's copy the command and run it. Now you can see the logs running in the terminal, and you have to wait until you see the line saying that the DL Workbench is listening on a certain URL. Okay, so we see the link here, and that means that the DL Workbench has started, and we can open it in the browser. That's it, we've opened the DL Workbench Get Started page, and now we can proceed to import a model and a dataset, run a first inference, and discover other amazing features of the DL Workbench. Thanks for watching, see you in the next episode.